going on, YouTube? I just thought I'd do a little quick video here, just show you guys my tool bag and how I load it out. And this is a Vito Pro Pack TP4B. Has a hard bottom on it, which I like a lot because it stands up straight. It's not going to tip over. But yeah, I've had this bag for a little while. I had a setup like this. You'll notice that most of the tools in here are pretty new. Other than my Nip-X needle nose and Cline strippers here, but that's because I just started a new job. A previous job I had before, I had this same bag, pretty much, almost the exact same setup. But it was the original TP4 without the hard plastic bottom. But I really love that bag, and that is why when I started this new job, we're not allowed to use any of our personal tools. They provide all the tools, so that's why you're going to see most of these are pretty much new. Anyways, so yeah, they were able to get me I was able to get pretty much the same setup I had before, which is good because it's what I was used to. I liked it, and it just worked for me. I knew where everything was. And anyways, so yeah, just a few old things and this new bag with the TP4B, which is a great upgrade from the other one. I'm glad they made that. But anyways, let's get into it. On the front here, I got the 12 volt Milwaukee Fuel. Awesome drill. Nice because you can get into tight places with it, and it's just small, compact. A lot of times I carry it on my belt. It's pretty easy. Just clip it on your belt, but I also carry it right on here too, which works fine. But anyways, that's the drill. Impact 12 volt Milwaukee. I got the 5/16 1/4 inch bit on it. There's that. Start around the outside here. Right here, just clipped on. I got a flashlight. Light star. I don't know, it's a good light. Use it quite a bit. But that just clips on the side there. Next to that, I got this little, it's kind of a universal bit. Pops into the impact. It's 9/16 socket. And then this pops out. You got 5/16 1/4 inch. A couple bits on the end. And your 9/16 socket. But like that tool, used it a couple times. Fits real good right there. So got that. Let's see, right here, 6-inch extension, 5/16 1/4 inch. Right here on the D-ring, I keep this dog bone here. Goes from 5/16 to 1/2 inch. It's kind of nice. You know, 4 different sizes in one. Get a lot done with this little guy, but I like this tool. Let's see, I got right here, got small channel locks like these. Also small, get into tight places. Big help. Right next to that, I got the bigger, larger channel locks. Gotta have those. Behind that, I got this bigger Cline screwdriver. Kind of heavier duty screwdriver. Yeah, kind of beat on it a little bit. Use it as a pry bar as well. Probably shouldn't, but it's kind of why I got it. But anyways, set that there. Keep going around the side here. This just on a spinner here. I got this 4-wire jumper that I made, jumping out boards and stuff. Next to that, I got this AWP bag, and this just clips right on the handle here. And what I have in here is just my stubby gauges. Keep these with me all the time in case I need to check pressures on the system, see what's going on. But those are my stubbies, and they just sit in this bag. Let's see. Up here you see in this little slot here, this is where I keep my pill container, which has all the electrical connections that I usually need. Anything else, go to the truck, but most of the time I can get away with whatever's in here, and I just keep restocking it. But just got all the electrical connections I need. Spade connectors, you name it, got them all. Butt connectors. But yeah, I like this. Just enough for what I need for most service calls. And as you can see, it fits nicely right in that slot there, and it stays put. Never comes out, just kind of hangs there, and it's really easy to get in and out of, and doesn't take up any space. It's a good little spot for that. Around the other side, got my infrared thermometer. Just clips on the side there. Awesome tool. Get temperatures on registers and stuff that you can't reach high up. But yeah, it's a good tool. Let's see. This little bag here, I got clipped on a magnetizer, demagnetizer, comes in handy. This little husky bag here, I got wire nuts. Mostly it's pretty much all wire nuts, just variety of sizes, any size that I may need. Yeah, set that over there. Got tape right here, electrical Teflon. Right here on this D-ring, this mini adjustable slides right in this D-ring. Sits there real nicely. Keep that right there. Also a very handy tool. On this side, got my valve core removal tool. Anyways, that's always a good tool to have. Right here, awesome tool. Cline multi-bit, small driver for control boards, thermostats, all the little stuff. It's a perfect little screwdriver like this, very handy. But that's what I keep there. Behind that is one of the older tools I said. I really like these crimpers. I've had these ones for a while. But yeah, these are good crimpers. These are the ones I had before. Like I said, when I started this other job, they had gotten me some of these. I don't know, not a big fan of these. Used them for a little bit, took the spring out. I don't know, I didn't like the spring on these. But one, because you can't lock it. But yeah, I got rid of these. And I threw these in their place. And these ones I like. I don't mind the spring in here because I can lock it up. But yeah, I got those. On the side here, got my long shank Cline 5/16 1/4 inch magnetic. Behind that I got my larger adjustable. Gotta have that. Then I also have this fuse puller. I always keep this just in case I need it. And then, alright, let's go around to the front side here. In here I keep the leads for my meter. I like to keep them in this front pouch. Just keeps them from getting bound up or caught on stuff when I go in and out of the bag with the meter. So I keep those in the front pouch. Let's see what else in the front pouch. I got this right here. It's Milwaukee. It's just like a little bit container. Got different bits I may need in it. It's got this other extension, the Phillips bit in it. Just keep that in there in case I need it. But, what else? Down here in the bottom I got my 9/16 and 1/2-inch socket, as well as right angle Allens, the most common used ones. In here also I got other bits, 3/8, another 5/16. I have the adapter for the sockets so I can put it on the impact, and that's in there, and that's pretty much it for that pocket. Now the main pocket. I got the field piece SC640. Like this meter. Before I had the field piece HS36. I love that meter as well, but I thought I'd try this one out. Kind of like the way it's set up. But yeah, use that one now. Right next to that, these are the Nipex. I was telling you, the other older tool from before. I really like these. That's why I snuck these into the bag. Yeah, they're good quality. Very, very good. Very good needle nose. And anyways, yeah, these are what I use. Right here, got diagonal cutters, side cutters, dikes, Cline. These are nice pair, good pair, nice and sharp. And this side over here, I got Linesman's pliers. Right here, crimpers. Gotta have a good set of crimpers. There's no other way to crimp those fittings. They have other different types of crimpers and strippers and crimpers. Those just don't do as good a job. These are awesome to have. Insulated, non-insulated. I also have cutters on the tip. Rarely use those, mainly for crimping. Right here in the center, I got just couple different open end, ratchet end wrenches. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, need these every now and again. Taking motors out. Just random things that may need these for. 7/16, 1/2-inch, 9/16, and keep those with me in case I need them. On the back row, just got my Phillips flathead. Next to that, the old 11 one. Awesome tool. Always have one of these with me. But next to that, I got the Hillmore. quarter, 5/16. 5/16 this side, pop it out, 1/4 inch on the other. But yeah, it's a good tool. Yeah, magnetic, but I like it. Kind of takes the place of 2 nut drivers all in one, so it's nice to have. On the back side here, I got my longer T handles, taking out blower wheels or fan blades. Got those back there. And the far back, I have just a really long extension, just in case I ever need it. Need to get further into the unit, deeper in, whatever. Something I can't get with my 6-inch. Just pop this on the drill, and I can reach whatever I need to. And that's pretty much it. And again, I said this is the Vito Pro Pack TP4B. Hard bottom. Again, glad they made that. That's a nice addition. On the back side, I didn't mention, but these don't come with a shoulder strap. So this is off an old Husky bag that I had, another Husky bag, and works perfect. Clip it on the sides, and then just shove it up here in this belt clip, and it actually works good. Keeps it up off the ground, whatever, keeps it out of the way. And but yeah, this is my setup. This is what I carry every call. Can do pretty much 90% of the work that I need to do on any service call with everything in here. And it's quite a bit of tools that I can fit in that little bag, and it's handy, small, easy to carry around, and throw it on the shoulder and climb up a ladder. But anyways, that's my setup, and hope this helps out somebody or gives ideas or whatever. But thanks for watching.